This is Anne. She's a nurse working at Dr. Schwartz's office. She likes to help people and really loves her job. If only someone could answer the phone instead of her. But it's difficult to find qualified staff who don't mind speaking to impatient people, not to mention the cost it incurs. So every day, Anne has to decide whether to answer the phone or continue signing in patients. This frustrates her because she can never do her job as well as she would like to. A very stressful situation. But don't worry, there's a solution. A voice-controlled scheduling assistant. It integrates into existing scheduling apps and is always available. Now patients can ask for appointments at any time of the day, even at nights and weekends, and in the most common languages.
Hi, my name is Manuel Perez. I need to see Dr. Schwartz for my annual checkup. Maybe this week?
We have a time slot for Dr. Schwartz available tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Would that suit you?
That's fine.
Great. I make an appointment for Manuel Perez with Dr. Schwartz at Thursday, December 7th, 2021 at 9 a.m. May I send you a reminder via SMS?
Yes, please.
Thanks to the scheduling assistant, there are no revenue losses because of missed calls or appointments anymore. And Anne no longer has patients waiting on her. From now on, every caller gets an appointment immediately. And just like her, businesses from different industries and of any size can now save time, money, and nerves. With our voice scheduling assistant, the complete solution for making appointments by phone.